Okay, we're going to continue because the Shabbat Barak by the Angel name. Okay, so we talk about Chatzot a lot, נכון? You know, remember, Chatzot, now I want to explain to you, yeah? Now I want to explain to you, I want to explain to you why it's so much important to me as Yadaim. Okay? Why is so much important wash your hands? Okay? I want you listen carefully. If you have a question, ask question. We talk about right now the negative energy, the tree of I don't know if you that word, but the tree of not Eschaim. We have Eschaim and we have Esadat. So in Esadat you have tree of the energy of Dil Rahman Islam, yeah, which is always going other places. Is starting from the night, starting from the night until the Chatzot. When you pass the Chatzot, and that's it. Now, we know that energy is happened when the Adam Rishon made the sin, and Hashem told him don't use that tree, even though he's supposed to eat the fruit, but they have supposed to be wait. But he didn't wait, and what has happened? Because they didn't wait. So this caused a lot of negative energies. Now listen to me carefully. Now Chachamim, the sages ask question: How I know this negative really drawing his energy to the world, and I know it's negative. How I could understand that? How really it's working? For example. It could be because of the time. You hear me or not hear me?
Yeah, it could be.
Huh?
Is it able to be because of the time?
Louder.
Is it able to be because of the time?
If that energy could be a negative energy, could be because of the time. When I say time, what I mean? When I say time, for example, right now it's this time. After that, it'll be a little late. And that time passed, so it's already doesn't function as negative energy. The time does that negative energy or something else? You understand what I'm saying? No, or not?
Okay.
Huh?
Yes.
You understand? So what do you think? Does really time does that energy happen the situation? Because when Adam Rishon made the sin, that's it, he made the sin. Energy came out.
It's time.
Wait. First of all, time of Adam Rishon was no time. Before the sin, it was no time, by the way. Maybe it is, but I think so. It was time. By the way, Allah made no time. Over here, you have a time. You know what I'm saying? Huh?
Yes.
Allah have no time. Over here have a time. Now, when he made the sin, the energy, the negative, come out.
Mm-hmm.
So who cares which kind of time? It already came out. Maybe he just go to those places whoever draw that energy. Doesn't consider the time. Get my point? I get my point. For example, person in the afternoon. Let's say 2 o'clock afternoon, not in the Chatzot, not at the midnight, in the afternoon. Yeah? And he's sitting and he's thinking he want to do Avera. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
He want to do sin. He want to, let's say, he thinking he want to steal money, let's say. He was sitting and planning to steal money. It does negative energy or not?
Negative energy.
Huh?
It's negative energy.
So what's happening when you're thinking that?
You're receiving negative energy.
You draw to yourself negative energy.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or not?
Yes.
Now, so is deal with this man or doesn't deal with this man?
It deals with.
How? We say that tree wake up in the night. let's say the night going to be another 1 hour, let's say.
But Adam Rishon, the only reason he had to sin is because he didn't wait for the time. He had to wait more time.
Who?
Adam Rishon.
He was supposed to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. He made before the
And
time. He
that's
was
a matter
supposed
of
to.
time.
Huh?
And that's a matter of time.
Oh, so he's saying because he didn't wait and he eats on that tree, so it's because of time.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I have a question to you. But after he eat the from that tree,
Mm-hmm.
maybe it already doesn't deal with the time because he already the negative already blow up to all over the world because proof is afternoon, but it's not midnight. If supposed to want to do something not supposed to be, is it to coming to him? Let's say he touched dead body. Then he gonna be tameh?
Yeah.
Why? But the time.
But since Adam Rishon did the Avirah, in the time of Adam Rishon, you said there was no time. Since he did the Avirah, which was a matter of time, he probably added more time to the time till the coming of Mashiach.
What do you mean more to the time? There is no more to the time. There's or time or no time.
He added more time.
You cannot. How? You cannot say such kind of thing. Because time, it's like this. Or there is a time, or there is no time. That's the way it goes. You cannot add for the time. Because tomorrow is not the time. After 1 month, there's no time. It's always time. We're talking about for until that time, washing hands, for specific time.
Yeah.
Specific. When there is a night, there is a chatzot. When you pass the chatzot, it's already a different situation. So my question, it's not my question, but as Chazal asked, really, what we really consider that negative energy, that the koach shlili for that tum'ah, he deal only for the chatzot or also different time too. It could be also after chatzot too. You know what I mean? What I'm saying over here?
It's also a different time.
Hmm?
It's not time. It can also be something else. Since if in the morning you still wake up and you do not do Natilat Yadaim, you're still tameh. You're still tameh even
If you didn't wash your hands.
Even if you didn't wash your hands, but it's morning.
Yeah.
You're still tameh.
If you didn't wash your hands.
Yeah, so it surpasses the time.
It passed the time.
It surpasses.
Yeah, but it passed the time because it passed the time because he didn't wake up yet. The body was tameh because he was sleeping that time when that tree was passing the chatzot.
But if
Maybe another Chazal said, maybe that time that energy, that tum'ah doesn't connect to the time. It just connect passing only the chatzot, and after that have nothing to do with the time.
But if you go to sleep in the middle of the night, then you wake up in the middle of the night, you're still tameh.
Repeat again. If you sleep after the chatzot,
No, if you sleep, it's 7 o'clock. I'm just saying.
in the night.
Yeah, you go to
So,
sleep
don't say like that. Say before chatzot.
before chatzot. You go to sleep till 10 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
Let's say you wake up at till chatzot. You go to sleep.
You wake up.
No,
You wake up before chatzot. I mean, exactly to the chatzot or after chatzot.
You sleep and you wake up at chatzot.
After chatzot or at chatzot.
Yeah.
At the chatzot. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say 5 minutes. Let's say 5 minutes before chatzot.
Yeah, and so to say.
So you also tameh?
Yeah.
Huh?
And even if he's awake.
You also tameh?
Yeah.
How do you know? You didn't pass the chatzot.
But even if he's awake all night from.
Eliyahu, what do you
chatzot
think? I don't see you.
till
I told you don't
midnight.
mention to be here over there. What are you saying? No?
I don't know.
I don't like this kind of answer. I don't let you to close right now the answer. Talk seriously about that. Whatever you said, I don't know. It's not regular. I don't know what. It was a little bit not the place. Why did you say all those stuff?
I'm not answering.
Why are you doing answer? You're hearing the words of God, no?
I'm listening to you. Yeah, I'm listening.
Huh?
I'm listening. Just
Okay, so what's your opinion?
But he has to wash his hands.
Huh?
He has to wash his hands.
Okay, we know we have to wash your hand. The question is,
Even if you
what
go
is
for yourself.
considered the Torah time? When is the energy really connected for the time, or have nothing to do with the time? What do you think? That Torah connected to the time, or doesn't connect to the time?
Tuma is connected to the time.
You think so? Huh?
Yeah.
So in this case, if I pass the chatzot, yeah, so I'm not time anymore. They say I sleep after the chatzot.
You are time.
They say, yes, no, wait. If I sleep after the chatzot, so I'm not time anymore.
I can't.
Huh?
Yeah, you're not time.
I'm not time?
No, you are. You are.
Huh? But you said,
Not time.
But if anything,
you say it's with the time you say.
but
So I'm not time.
if anything,
Wait, you want to say why?
Because the tree that is passing, it's still gonna leave something on you.
The tree, what?
The tree's passing, it's still gonna leave something on you.
Still leaving something on you, you're saying?
It is.
So it's with the time or without the time?
It's with the time. It makes it different. It doesn't make a difference. You sleep in the.
No, you have to say, in your opinion, you have to say it's nothing to do with the time. Because the tree will leave a little bit, then it passes. How do I do with the time?
You still time at.
Yeah, but it's nothing to do with the time.
Okay, so no time.
Huh?
So no time.
It's not, don't like that. You have to come to the conclusion. With the time or no time?
Baba,
Huh?
if anything,
Can't hear you.
No time.
Now he's saying conclusion no time. What do you say?
if anything, you're tameh for the first half of the night. You do tikkun chatzot to purify yourself. You know, sometimes.
And you have to purify yourself?
Yes, sometimes it says Hashem gives the cure before the blow. Hashem,
No, but-
Hashem
no.
gives the cure before the sickness.
Okay, but-
and you're doing tikkun chatzot before the tree of that passes by. Right, whenever it passes by, you're doing tikkun chatzot. Whenever you do tikkun chatzot, you're destroying the tree of dead.
So how it deal with, so can I do the time or not?
It is.
With the time?
Yes.
He said no time. How do I give the time? Tomorrow is tomorrow. It could be you sleep before Chatzot, for his opinion. You sleep. After the Chatzot, you wake up, you still tameh. Because that she could be still touch you some more or less.
You're still tameh if you do Natilat Yadaim.
You want to do that time?
You can't do
No.
you can't do Natilat Yadaim.
But you have to do. Chazal say you have
Oh,
to do.
if you can't do it at 11 o'clock. You can't do Natilat
What?
Yadaim
Wait,
at 11 o'clock.
wait, what? Let's say I sleep after Chatzot. Example, I sleep after Chatzot and then wake up 1 o'clock in the morning, 11 afternoon.
I'm talking about 11 p.m. 11 and in the first half of the night. There's two halves of the night.
No.
Before Chatzot and
After
after
Chatzot.
Chatzot.
No.
So you cannot do Natilat Yadaim before Chatzot. You can only do
But
Natilat Yadayim
when you still didn't sleep.
whenever you didn't sleep.
When you still didn't sleep.
You didn't sleep.
I didn't sleep. I didn't sleep.
Even if you slept, you cannot.
If you didn't sleep, it's obvious you don't start your life. It's obvious.
And even if you don't sleep,
No, let's say I did sleep and I wake up 5 minutes before Chatzot. I have to start that or not?
no.
Of course, yes.
Wait, Baba.
That's halakha.
But how about if it's an hour before Chatzot?
Let me, what?
Wait, if you woke up 5 minutes before Chatzot,
I don't see Eliyahu Chadori.
If you woke up 5 minutes before Chatzot, what time did you go to sleep?
Let's
Let's
say,
go to sleep at 7 that
no. Let's say I sleep 10 o'clock.
That's after the morning. 10 o'clock's after the
No,
morning.
not in the morning, in the night, 10 o'clock in the night.
And then you sleep for the whole entire night?
No. I sleep 10 o'clock. You sleep before Chatzot, you say. Yesterday I sleep 10 o'clock and I get up 11:55.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Yeah, 12:30.
Yeah.
Chatzot is now 1 o'clock anyway. I sleep 10 and I get up 12:30.
But what time? But you have to watch Negavasser before.
When before?
The beginning of the day, you have to watch Negavasser.
Beginning of the day? Which day? To me it's night still.
What time
To
did
me
you...
it's start. 10 o'clock in the night they say. 10 o'clock
10
p.m.
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 Before that, you have to wake up and wash your hands. That's considered your nap.
Huh?
That's considered a nap then.
Nap?
Wake up, look, let's say you go to sleep at 6.
You just think it happens.
First of all, you have to understand. You have to make cheshbon. What is nap? There is no 1 hour nap, by the way.
What is that called?
Nap is only maybe 10-15 minutes. After that, it's already considered you sleeping. That's halacha, by the way. That's halacha. When you pass already more than half an hour, it's already not nap. Only until half an hour could be nap, not than that. But if you sleep only 1 hour, it's already sleep 2 hours. For sure, you're sleeping good. So you get wake up. You sleep 10 p.m. and you get up 12 p.m. I have to wash your hands. I have to wash your hands.
No, you can't.
I not?
You can't.
I
You
cannot?
can only do it after chatzot.
Huh?
You can only do it after chatzot.
After two chatzot, you mean?
Yeah, after chatzot. If you wake up 11
No, you should
o'clock.
say. You
If
should
you
say.
wait- if-
No. You should say like this. Like this. I'm gonna make you mabalbal. You know what I mean? Mabalbal?
No.
Midbalbel. You mean mabalbal?
No.
You're gonna be mabalbal right now. It's like when I never learn like a gemuira. So if you don't want a mabalbal, so I'm gonna make you mabalbal. So listen. If I sleep, I have a question to you. Let's say I didn't see Mita, and I sleep, and I get up 12 o'clock in the morning, and 12 o'clock in the night. What do I do? I should say Yadaim or
Yes. You can't.
But I didn't see Mita.
So you still have to say it.
Huh?
You still have to do it.
It's too late. I could say it.
No, you still have to. You have to still wash your hands.
And it's at Yadaim.
It's too early. It's an hour before. It's an hour before
Yeah.
chatzot. You can't do
It's
it
an hour-
an hour before chatzot. Of course you could. An hour before chatzot, you cannot do it after that.
If someone wants to learn, he's ready to go sleep, and the cheap depth is already starting to pass, you have to wash your hands.
But
No.
not at 12 o'clock. Not a lot.
I will tell you what the
Showing
halacha.
pass.
I will tell you what the halacha. Halacha is like this. If I decided, first of all, you both you're right, but some places they are also wrong. First of all, if I get out 12 o'clock in the night, yeah, and chatzot didn't come yet, I have to wash my hands, but not to say al Yadaim. But I'm not saying al Yadaim. Then, if you want a proper way, you have to stick a Shavita. Then, if you want to kabbalistically, Birkot HaShachar, and then Tikkun Chatzot. That you're supposed to do. So when you get Shavita, maximum you're going to wash your hands because you're already asleep. Then you could say Birkot HaShachar, Tikkun Chatzot, and Tikkun Chatzot.
You say Birkot HaShachar after chatzot. Or before chatzot.
No, before Chatzot.
It's too early.
No, but you're gonna wait until Chatzot.
Yeah.
You're gonna wait Chatzot plus another 10 minutes. 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
Then you could say Birkot HaShachar.
That's still after chatzot.
Huh?
That's still after chatzot.
After Chatzot, it's already not considered night, kabbalistically.
I know.
So, what's the question?
Birkot HaShachar is for the morning.
Huh?
Birkot HaShachar is for the morning. HaShachar is the morning.
Yeah, so after Chatzot,
After chatzot, kabbalistically, it's not considered night anymore.
yeah, so you could say Birkot HaShachar.
But before, it's still night.
Yeah, before Chatzot, it's still night. You're not allowed to say.
Yeah.
That's all.
You can only do Natilat Yadaim without a bracha
Yes.
before chatzot.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Before Chatzot, you're going to say Yadaim without the bracha. But, if you sleep and you wake up 5 minutes before Chatzot, yeah?
You can say.
No, you're going to wake up. And you're going to wait until the Chatzot passed. Then 5 minutes, and then you could wash your hands out there, right?
Then Birkot HaShachar.
Because the Shachar to go Chatzot.
But how about if you fall asleep after all of that?
You could go sleep, no problem.
Wait, I already said Birchot Shachar.
You did Birkat Shachar?
You already said Birchot Shachar.
That already can say that you're sleeping in the morning, in the afternoon. You can sleep in the morning.
But you have to daven?
What daven? You have to, for the daven in Shacharit, you mean?
Daven Shacharit, yeah.
And that you have to wait for the dawn.
You have to start Shemona Esrei at 6 o'clock.
No, you could start the Shacharit dawn, and then in the next you could say Shemona Esrei.
But it's too early.
And next?
No, if you say Shemona Esrei before Net, it's too early. You can't say it.
If you say Shemona Esrei before next?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
too
of course,
early.
that's too early, yeah. That's too early. Yeah, that's too early. You have to say in the next.
Mm-hmm.
So let's get back to the what we were talking about. So I want to teach some halachot. Maybe you're gonna remember. Maybe not. We'll see how it's gonna be. So let's speak about the Yadaim again. What time is it already? Oh, I think I have to stop here. Yeah. Okay. Remember, you're gonna remember me. What to talk about? You're gonna remember me because I want to already remember me. Explanation of the. Maybe we're gonna make another show after this time. We will say, okay, forward, Baruch Adonai Olam,